I leave the van in the park. We're going to walk the usual way of my bike. Yeah, very nice. Lots of people. That's where we went before getting up here. Look at this, there is a way here. Let's see what is in here. Oh, nothing really, just like this, going to the rocks. And there are many people over there. Oh, look at this. Yeah, they did not repair this. Before there was a barrier here. The roots of these big trees already showing up. Oh, it's a little bit raining now. Yeah, actually big droplets. I don't know if it is going to continue, but look at the sky, it's like that. But on that side also cloudy, but it's not a rain, but I don't know. So we're going back. Actually, if there is a rain, I'm not going to run. I will let myself get wet showering the rain. This one is going to, oh, but I have electronics in my backpack. Oh no. Yeah, I need to go. This stairway looks like less people as actually going through there. Yeah, maybe just the residents, but it's actually a public way, public stairway going to the road up there. Rain is getting heavier. Imagine if you hit by that. The rain actually did not continue. Yeah, now it's good. I am here now in the car. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are here in the Albura Marina. Actually the Foreshore, the actual name of the place. And this is how it is at the moment. There is the whale and dolphin watch. Yeah, a lot of people. So basically they are going to cruise around, yeah, for about 3 hours. And it costs for one person usually about $30, $35, $40. Oh, I just realized that I need to do my laundry. Yeah, because I don't have a uniform tomorrow. So I am going home now. Oh no, I need first to go to the grocery. Today I start at 6 and I finish at 2 o'clock. We're actually busy. We did 170. Yeah, but it was a smooth service because I was prepared. Did my laundry yesterday but didn't finish because I don't have laundry soap. I still have some of the food that Roy and Cassie gave me. Yeah, some frozen and some in can. Yeah, like the corned beef, sardines, I still have those. But yeah, I want to try another meal, another food. Noodles. I miss noodles. So I'm going to buy maybe noodles. And I'm going to get this one. This is just $8. Look at this. This is $22. And it's just 1.8 liters. Compared to this, that is 2 liters. $22 regular price. Now just 11. Still this one is much cheaper still. I'll take this one. I'm going to get with this one. This is the fresh, yeah, fresh noodles. Let's see what are the sale items in here. Later tonight, this one is going to be cheaper, maybe $2-3. Yeah, later tonight, because this one expired today. Yeah, nothing really that I like. And I'm getting this one. Yeah, vegetable just $5. I'm also getting this just $2.50. I'm going to use this soy sauce that Inigo gave me. In case you don't know, last time Inigo cooked something and he used this soy sauce. He said this is not good. So this is just a stir-fry vegetable. Just add some water. I want it very well cooked, like overcooked. Okay, this is my lunch. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it is already 3:40 and I'm actually, I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. I'm doing my laundry, 10 minutes, but I need to go. Basically, I'm going to pick up Inigo and then we are going to the house of Rick. Actually, it's already 3:49. I am going now. Good morning guys. Yeah, 15 minutes to 9 o'clock. I'm watching Dale Philip. He's in the Philippines and I am preparing my meal. This is actually some of the food that I took from last night potluck. Yeah, we went to like a cut shop in the house of Rick and yeah, everyone brings food except me. Basically my plan yesterday was to pick up Inigo in the house, in his apartment, and then go to the grocery to buy ice cream. But yeah, Inigo said, you don't need to buy ice cream. Because Inigo cooked actually 2 Indian food. Yeah, 1 chicken and 1 beef. And the other guys, Brian, they bring Filipino spaghetti. And of course, Rick and Christina, they also made some barbecues and grilled items, you know. Louie and Kat, they brought some steak. So this is basically a different selection. I'm going to recook it. And then this little spaghetti, I'll keep it for tomorrow or tonight maybe. And yeah, this is my breakfast. It is already 10:35. We are going out and I'm going to bring this eggplant. Yeah, this is coming from Roy and Cassie. And I'm also going to bring this spaghetti.